Today, we're going to discuss the role of a title company in a real estate transaction. Let's get right into it. If you're navigating the complex world of real estate transactions, you might be wondering about the role of various players involved. One crucial player is the title company. In today's video, we're going to explore the role of a title company in a real estate transaction, focusing on the services they provide to both sellers and buyers. My name is Braden Milner, and I'm a realtor with Florida Future Realty, specializing in the Cape Coral real estate market. Through my cutting-edge online marketing strategies, I net sellers the most for their homes and provide world-class white-glove service and education to both of my buyers and sellers. Let's dive into what a title company is and does in the Cape Coral real estate market. A title company is responsible for several critical aspects of a real estate transaction, including 1. Title search. This is the process of reviewing public records to ensure the property's title is free from any defects, liens, or encumbrances. The title company verifies the seller's legal right of ownership and identifies any potential issues. 2. Title insurance. This protects both buyers and sellers from financial loss resulting from defects in the title, such as liens, easements, and ownership disputes. The title company issues this insurance policy. 3. Escrow services. An escrow account is a neutral third-party account where funds are held until the transaction is completed. The title company serves as the escrow agent, managing and dispersing funds according to the terms of the purchase agreement. 4. Closing services. The title company plays a pivotal role in coordinating and facilitating the closing process, ensuring all necessary documents are prepared, signed, and recorded, and funds are dispersed accordingly. As a seller working with a reputable title company can provide a peace of mind and support throughout the entire transaction process. Here are some key services title companies provide to sellers. 1. Protecting the seller's interest. By conducting a thorough title search and providing title insurance, the title company helps protect the seller from potential legal issues and financial loss. 2. Preparing the closing documents. The title company is responsible for preparing essential closing documents such as the deed, bill of sale, and settlement agreement, ensuring they are accurate and legally compliant. 3. Facilitating the closing process. From coordinating with the buyer's lender and other professionals to managing escrow and dispersing funds, the title company plays a crucial role in facilitating a smooth and efficient closing. Now that we've touched base on what a title company does for sellers, it's essential to understand the services a title company provides for buyers. 1. Protecting the buyer's interest. Through title searches and title insurance, the title company safeguards the buyer's investment and ensures that they are acquiring a property with a clear and marketable title. 2. Ensuring a smooth transaction. Title companies play a vital role in coordinating various parties, such as lenders, real estate agents, and attorneys, to ensure a seamless transaction and minimize potential issues during the closing process. Choosing the right title company. When selecting a title company, consider these factors. 1. Reputation and experience. Choose a title company with a strong reputation for professionalism, integrity, and industry experience. You can ask for recommendation and check online reviews. Look for a company that is responsive, attentive to your needs, and proactive in addressing potential issues. 3. Fees and costs. Compare and understand the fee structures of different title companies. Ask for a clear breakdown of costs and any additional fees that apply. In conclusion, the role of a title company in a real estate transaction is indispensable. By providing essential services such as title searches, title insurance, escrow management, and closing coordination, a title company ensures a secure, efficient, and stress-free transaction process. Choosing the right title company is crucial to safeguard your interest and facilitate a successful real estate transaction. Additional tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to keep in mind when working with a title company. 1. Stay organized. Keep track of all the documents and correspondence related to the transaction. Having everything in order will make it easier for the title company to help you. 2. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek clarification from the title company. They're there to help, and it's essential to fully understand the process and any potential issues. 3. Be proactive. Stay in touch with your title company and provide them with any necessary information promptly. This will ensure a smooth and efficient transaction. 4. Work with professionals. It's crucial to collaborate with experienced real estate agents, attorneys, and other professionals who can help guide you through the real estate transaction process. Their expertise will complement the services provided by the title company. And there you have it. Now you know the critical role a title company plays in a real estate transaction and how they can help both buyers and sellers. Armed with this information, you're better prepared to navigate the complex world of real estate transactions. As a trusted real estate professional, I, Braden Milner, am here to help you with any questions or assistance you may need. Feel free to reach out to me anytime via call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also visit my website, bradenmilner.com, for my full list of seller services, educational resources, property search, and much more. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and/or follow for more insightful content about the real estate industry. I'll see you in the next video.